What's going on, guys? We just rolled the convoy into Andrew's little facility here, and as I'm rolling down the long driveway of Andrew's, I heard a little bit of a noise come from the motor, so I popped the hood, took a look, it got louder, and then I looked, no oil pressure.
You want me to pull this breaker bar out of here or no?
Now you can leave it.
All right.
We pulled off the supercharger belt to make sure that it wasn't the supercharger making the racket, because it's a very high-pitched, like, up high noise. It doesn't sound like rods, it's like timing components.
Not good. What's your expert analysis on this?
That's actually a really light tinny noise. It doesn't sound...
Right now it has oil pressure. Right now it has oil pressure.
That's a very tinny noise.
You can get a shot.
Check your inner idler.
Can't confirm. No oil pressure, at least here on the stock gauge. It will not focus. That is a big rip. Unless your sensor just went bad and this noise just started, but I don't think that's
It's time related. It's not pumping up. R.I.P. Avinator. It's been real and it's been fun, but it ain't been real fun.
Well, it was real fun about 5 minutes ago. Now it's not.
Yeah, it's kind of good. I passed him like maybe like a mile down the road, and all power. It was there, and then as I'm rolling in the driveway, I'm like, oh, dude, you sound right. Sounds kind of goofy. Sad day for the Terminator. Old girl is rattling, knocking pretty hard, and she's out of oil pressure. So the rain falls on the 4th of the day. She's damn near buried into the ground. Sad day, sad day. All right, guys, it is the next day. Heading back to Andrew's house now to pick up the Cobra. Unfortunately, the weather just kicked up as we're almost here. But Andrew has decided to let me borrow his open trailer, so we're gonna go ahead and throw the Cobra on it and get it home. And start planning the engine pull out and tear down and find out what happened to it. Keep you guys updated.
Oh, starting her up. That should be good.
I doubt y'all can hear me, but... How we doing, Blake? Insult to injury. Trying to mount up my broken car on the trailer. Pour it down on it.
How we doing, Blake?
Well, at first I was a little annoyed about 5 minutes ago because I was stuck in the car, it was pouring down rain. But in this current moment, I'm pretty chilling. The rain has subsided. I figured out a way to get around the wheel. It's just a certified ripper's way to overcome any obstacle that we are presented with.
For example.
Damn, certified ripper. Look at certified
Certified gains, right?
Certified dripper right here, dude. Look at this thing. All right, well, car is up there. Dude, my hat is like 10 pounds. It rained a little bit today, but we got the car up there. Yeah, guys, we're gonna get the Cobra home. I'm soaked. But yeah, I'll see you home. Zane, I see your camera skills. How about you back up a little bit, all right? You can fucking get my
Bro, suck a like, I shouldn't even be holding the camera for
back even more. He's out of break. All right, Andrew, slow the car down. Slow the car down. There you go. Good. You did good. You did good. Sad days here at the Certified Rippers compound. Terminator is blown up. Well, not physically blown up, but the motor is no good. Needs to be pulled, needs to be gone through, needs to be replaced. It's time to roll up our sleeves, get our hands dirty, and see what we're working with here. Get the motor out of the car, tear it down, see what went wrng, and see what our next move is. So stay tuned for the next video where we're pulling the motor out, going through it. Sorry if this video wasn't a long one, but it was a video that we needed to make to let everybody know Cobra's no good. The funny part about all of this that's going on is the fact that I brought the car home September of last year. I've now owned it for a year, so I thought that was pretty interesting. If you guys haven't already seen the videos on us not only buying the car, me going all the way to Colorado for it, me putting the engine that's in it right now in there, the whole saga, please do me a favor and check out the playlist right up there. It'll show you all the videos and content I made on the car so far, and it's a lot of good in-depth videos of me taking a Lincoln Aviator engine, making it look pretty, and stuffing it into my Terminator to make this. But unfortunately, the Lincoln motor did not last as long as I was expecting it to, and she seems she has bit the dust. So with that being said, guys, stay tuned for the next video. We're pulling the motor.